What's going on, everybody? Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. So, still here in Virginia at my brother's. Gonna plant some garlic that actually sprouted in his house. See what he can get out of that. And then when we're at True Value, they have some white onion sets, so we're gonna plant them real quick. I'm gonna space them out, but have them in an area where he's gonna be able to grow his tomatoes, because the garlic helps with some pests that normally go after the tomato plants. So we're going to plant these about 2 inches down into the soil. We're going for about a 6-inch spacing. So first row, I'll put this little stick to mark it. I'm going to slide over some more. So what he can do is have a row of tomatoes here. I love the way this soil is very loose. These were the onion sets we were able to pick up at his True Value. They have already started sprouting a little bit, so we're going to plant 8 in the garden just so they can hopefully get some nice onions. So my brother already planted out some kale, some cabbage, and some broccoli. What we're going to do is we're actually just going to plant a few of these kind of in between the plants. We just did this a few weeks ago, so the nutrition in the soil is very high, so it can handle having an extra plant in here. And then also when I'm finished doing this, I'm going to mulch the top with some cedar chips that we picked up earlier today. So with the onions, we don't want to bury them too deep, so I just want the bulb to start getting covered with soil and leave the top sprouting out. So this is the cedar mulch bedding that we picked up. So all I'm going to do is put a layer down where his plants are. What this is going to help to do is insulate the soil, so it's going to retain moisture better, and then also it won't allow the soil to get quite as hot, because the black soil in the sun down here, it will get really hot. This will insulate that from happening. we want the mulch on the bed, but we don't want it right up against the stem. So now he's going to have some even better moisture retention and that insulation from the wood chips, so the bed won't get too hot and essentially bake his plants. Thank y'all for watching. Have a great day.